Clear. Action.
1, 2, crew ahead, Ma. You're on.
Hi, Claire. Johnny's after all of us again. Maud is sitting right beside her. We've just had a wonderful dinner prepared by Joan, egg risotto, macaroni, wonderful marinara sauce, and now we're having my wonderful muffins.
My wonderful. They are terrific.
How you doing, Ma? How is everything?
Everything is fine. I have so many exercises that I have to do. It's going to take me a long time to do it. And we have to show Mort the pulley. Mort hasn't seen that.
How long does it take you to do the exercises?
I haven't done them yet. I haven't timed it. I've got to start.
How's the weather been?
Don't tell the therapist I said that, please.
How's the weather been?
The weather's been very good. A little cool, but that's good too. Fall, the trees are beginning to turn red and gold and beautiful here.
Where'd you get that squirrel?
And how about, is Paul and Sharon taking you somewhere?
Oh, I'm leaving next Sunday for Vermont with Paul and Sharon. The foliage should be really pretty going up there, and I'm looking forward to that. That'll be my first trip in a long time.
And how do you feel?
And I'm feeling great. Very good. The therapy has been marvelous. I have another month to go.
Squirrel. Judy, come here, it's a black squirrel. Hurry up.
I saw a black squirrel
There's
before.
a black squirrel on the, I
Wait a
thought
minute.
it was the statue.
There's one in the reservation
It's up
too.
this high.
Look at him, he's in the
That's
fence.
great.
He's been here a couple of weeks.
Up this high.
She's
He's
showing,
in the fence.
look at
Climbed
that.
up the pole
I couldn't do
outside
that
and he
before.
knew I was there.
That's fabulous.
He would not come
Are you
down.
in any pain?
No.
Telephone pole out
That's
front.
good.
Everyone, look at the black squirrel.
Paul, want to say hello to Claire?
Hi, Claire.
Paul, bring the
Hi,
black
Claire.
squirrel
Are
over.
you any relation to E.
Jody, look
Claire?
at the black squirrel.
David's a funny joker.
Hey, Claire, we have a black squirrel.
Oh, yeah.
I hear he's really nuts.
Hi, everybody.
We have a fantastic group, right?
Here's your hug. Here's your hug, Claire.
Yeah, you hold it and I'll say hello.
All right.
And then, okay, we're going to sign off, but I'm going to have Mort hold the camera.
I've never seen a squirrel that sit that
Claire, thanks for all
Hi.
the hugs.
Hi,
Mort
Claire.
has delivered them, each and every one.
Thanks for
And
being
I
so
hope
proud
he
of me.
delivers mine
Really
to
meant a
you.
lot. Thank you so much. Your phone call meant a lot to me. I got it in here in my head. I'm going to play it back every time. We love you.
Bye-bye.
We love you and wish you were here with us.
Wish you were here.
Yeah, me too. See you soon. Love you. Bye-bye.
Jody, look at the black squirrel. Hurry up.